me tocas como lo hacía esa mujer. Algo no anda bien.
Hey guys, I'll be doing my new unboxing of my new MacBook Pro 13-inch. I got this smaller version because I feel like it fits for me so perfectly. I don't really like the bigger one that much. This one's like the touch one. And yeah, I'm doing the unboxing right now. And I'm just showing you guys a little bit of the preview. And I did a voice overview all this time because it was so loud in the house. You can't really hear me well. So that's what it looks like. I'm showing you guys briefly what I'm going to be doing. Well, basically I'm just like taking off the plastic from the computer, and I have this cord and the adapter so that my computer can charge. And then I got this manual from the computer with the computer and the Apple stickers as well. So I also bought this case with my computer because sometimes I'm clumsy and I need to buy something to protect it. It's not the best to protect, but just when it rains.
Exijo contigo una entrevista, sospecho plagio a mi señora, mal imitadora.